of the femur. The neck of the femur is frequently fractured site of the femur in elderly people. As stated, it has many bits of the entrance of blood vessels. Consequently, these vessels are vulnerable to injury during fractures of the femoral neck. This is the most fractured site of the femur. Head of the femur is most fractured site. When the fracture is occurred in the neck, the large blood vessels and nerves are damaged. The femur is large and strong, particularly in the body. But a violent direct injury may fracture it, and it may take up 20 weeks for the fine union of the fragment to occur. When the body has any fractures or injuries, it have gained its original position to 20 weeks. That means nearmost 5 months. Fractures of the neck of the femur and between the greater and lesser trochanters of the femur, between the greater and lesser trochanter, intratrochanteric fractures. This greater trochanter and lesser trochanter have intratrochanteric fractures. Although the trochanters are common in persons over 16 years of the age, this trochanteric fractures is most common in age above the 60 years people. Next, the fractures of the neck of the femur usually results from indirect violence and often result the tripping over some things. This head of the femur is sometimes tripping over to the acetabulum. In indirect violence or any injury. These fractures are more common in older women than in men because their bones become markedly weakening, owing the postmenopausal osteoporosis. In old women, the condition of postmenopausal osteoporosis, this is easily fractured or easily tripping. In this condition, bone resorption is greater than bone formation. When one hears that an old person has a broken hip, the usual injury is a fracture of the femoral neck. When the broken hip is having the condition, the usual injury is fracture in the femoral neck only. This fracture usually results from the combined effect of the osteoporosis and a fall in old age. The distal end of the femur undergoes ossification just before birth. The visibility of this center ossification in radiographs is commonly used as medico-legal evidence that a newborn infant found dead was near full term and viable. Before the birth, these radiographs are taken in medico-legal evidence. This is the clinical anatomy of this femur.